Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your business with Shopify. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To protect your business on Shopify, start by securing your account with a strong password. Choose a password that is at least 12 characters long and includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Next, enable two-factor authentication for an added layer of security. This will require a second form of verification every time you log in. Regularly update your passwords to ensure maximum security. Move on to selecting a secure theme from the Shopify theme store. Ensure the theme you choose is regularly updated and well-reviewed. Next, install security apps from the Shopify App Store. Look for apps that provide malware protection, fraud detection, and enhanced checkout security. Consider using Shopify's built-in SSL encryption for secure transactions. This ensures that customer data is encrypted during transmission. Regularly back up your store data to. You can manually export data or use apps that provide automated backups. Establish clear return and refund policies to protect against chargebacks. Clearly communicate these policies on your website. Monitor your store regularly for suspicious activity. Keep an eye on recent orders and customer accounts. Educate your staff on security best practices to mitigate risk. Make sure they know how to recognize phishing attempts. Finally, stay informed about the latest security threats. Regularly review Shopify's resources and security updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.